Hello guys, welcome back my
Ha-
YouTube channel. You are watching my YouTube channel.
Pros and cons of owning an online business. Before you think about owning an online business, make sure you go over these pros and cons before taking the plunge. Never before has it been so easy to start a business. First, the internet has made connecting with people and developing completely online business a possibility. Then COVID-19 caused millions of workers to stay home, and software developer produced produced thousands of products to assist with it overnight. This perfect storm means that as a business owner, you can have an almost endless choice when it comes to what you want to do and the tools that That said, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are drawbacks to owning an online business that make it not an option for everyone. Also, some estimates show that as many as 19% of online businesses fail within only 4 months. People burn out or lose interest and left their business die as a result. To prevent them, you need to decide early on if it's truly right for you. Here are the top pros and cons of owning an online business. Con distractions. The concept of working from home with an online business is very attractive if you want. You can roll out of base bed a few minutes before की साला मेरे को लेना नहीं starting work or even stay in bed if you'd like. There is no commuting commuting and you can make your own coffee and lunch. However, working from home also involves having distractions. You may have a family at home or a roommates. Your friends and family may think it's okay to phone you during the workday since you aren't actually at work. Pro talent recruiting brick and mortar businesses have to hire within their immediate geographical area or find people who will move into that area. This is not the case with online businesses. When you need to hire, you can essen- essentially search the entire world for talent. You no longer have to worry about setting for the best application. You can truly say English.
Very good.
Find the best person for the job, since the entire world is your playground. This is especially important as we go through a labor shortage in the United States and around most of the world. By being able to search all over and being able to offer remote work, you can build a stronger team. Can no one face to face with customers. Image Pixabay. This can affect customer service as well. If customers have no human face to deal with, they may feel negated and treated like nothing more than a number. Their money to online businesses, since it's hard to put faces to a brand and there's no evidence of structures like a building and a staff at a location. Pro a bigger market. Much like you have the whole world to search for talent, you also have it to search for customers instead of being limited to customers who are able to travel to your location. You can reach potentially millions of more people even with they are relatively low marketing budget. With proper targeting, you can take advantage of the sheer size of your potential market. This is especially helpful if you hit a raw spot with a virtually lending market. There are always places you cannot pivot to in hopes of finding new customers. Sorry, competition with a bigger market and an increasing ability to operate is online spaces. There are a lot of businesses that have done online in the past decade. That means that you will face additional competition no matter what type of business you want to open. However, you can still use the size of the market to your advantage and find your niche. With so much reach, you may be able to find a small dedicated pocket of consumers that are very interested in your specific product that nobody else sells. If you are not able to carve out your place, then it can be very easy to get lost in the morass of the market. Access to customer data. When it comes to marketing, there is nothing more important page they visit on your website and what they buy. As you can see, there is a lot to think about if you are considering opening an online business. Make sure that before you take the plunge, you go on over these pros and cons. That way, you can make an informed decision for yourself and your circumstances. Have any thoughts on this? Let us know down below in the comments or carry the discussion over to our Twitter or Facebook. Editor recommendations, pros and cons for working as a developer from home. YouTube stars are being paid big bucks to promote new features of the platform. Which digital marketing trends should small businesses attract in 2022? 5 good reasons you should consider upgrading your business phone system.